Hold it right there, folks. Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Jared Hood here from Gears Inc. Robotics, here to present the R6A Vulcan. Equipped with our patented resource and commodity collection and relocation system, the R6A Vulcan is the most versatile robot on the market. But don't just take my word for it, see it in action. Amazing! Any job, big or small, the R6A Vulcan completes them all. Safety tested and approved at War Eagle Best, the R6A Vulcan is the robot for you. Still not convinced? Just listen to these happy customers.
Ever since I bought the R6A Vulcan, ain't nothing changed.
And what do you think about the R6A Vulcan?
It's the worst thing.
At Eastwood Cornerstone, our engineers are working around the clock to bring you the latest in robotics technology, such as the windmill assembly and prairie chicken relocation robot, or the remote interface peripheral. Call right now at Gears Inc. Robotics to order your very own R6A Vulcan, complete with robotics interface peripheral and resource and commodity collection and relocation system technology. But wait, if you order in the next 5 seconds, we'll include the windmill assembly and prairie chicken relocation robot. Just pay additional shipping and handling. That's a $500 value for just one easy payment of $1999.95. Order now.
Results may vary. Gears Inc. Robotics is not responsible for destruction of property, mild surveyed authorization resulting from the proper and process use of the R6A Vulcan while providing Kaiser IP.